Guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to film this eye look for you guys. Not really a get ready with me, but just the eye look. So if you want to see how I achieved this purple iridescent eye look with no liner, then please keep watching. So let's go ahead and start on this eye. I've already primed this eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and take a fluffy brush, and I'm using my Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna go in with Eden, and I'm going to put that on top of my crease. Just kind of, so that I can kind of set. This color, this purple right here, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. Go in with a small flat brush, and I'm going to take this color right here, Retrograde, this one right here, and I'm going to put that in the inner tear duct of my eye, and I'm going to go back and forth with Retrograde and Twilight. And I'm just going to kind of like dabble just a little bit in the front, like kind of like it like burst on the corner of my eye, like that type of effect. I'm gonna go into Anastasia, the Prism palette, and I'm gonna take Lucid, this color right here. It's kind of like a duochrome eyeshadow, and it kind of like just gives it a slight pop. And then you can go back over it with Retrograde. But just like that. The small Real Techniques brush. It's like a detailer brush, and I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. You can use any dark purple, but this is a really dark purple right here. So I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna take it just right into the not the V, because I'm not really doing like a V. It's more of just like a smoke effect, and I'm just tapping it. Almost poked myself in the eye. And I'm like just tapping it on my waterline. I go about halfway onto my eye, and then I just kind of like pat it down but going up. Does that make sense? I'm gonna go in with this regular lip brush, and I'm gonna go back in with that same purple, and I'm gonna just blend it. And then just go back and forth until you like the transition of the fade. And then I'm gonna go back in with the flat brush I was using, go back in with Amethyst, and kind of just go over it so that it's a nice blend. Go in with Azeredo Cosmetics and Irresistible. Lash Paradise. I'm gonna go in with Swerve from ColourPop. It's their gel liners, and I'm gonna go ahead and just coat my top waterline. I take this purple eyeliner from Jordana in Purple Fusion, and I'm gonna put this on my bottom waterline. I'm gonna go in with Eden, which is the original color that we did, in our crease. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that down as like a base. Oh shit, what's on this brush? And now I'm gonna go in with OUD. I'm not gonna take purple underneath my eye because you have to be careful. You gotta be careful with that because it can start looking like a bruised eye. So I'm gonna take this and just smoke it out. And then go back in with that brush that we used, and I'm gonna go in with Retrograde, and I'm gonna just slightly bring it over here. Like that. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and then we'll come back and touch up the eyes if we need to, and then we will close out this video. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I just needed to touch up the under eyes, but not really. I just went back in with that Eden just to kind of blend it with the concealer. So, but yeah, same lip as always, the Whatever Walnut, Dose of Colors, Nude Chica, and just a lip gloss of your choice. So I will have everything linked down in the description bar. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell. Oh my gosh, I needed to swallow something. That's what she said. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, go ahead and put that down in the comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as I see it. Until next time guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.